Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be watching for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.02396 mark and the $0.01926 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01936 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I believe there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1, after seeing the formation of this 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.03293 mark, and also completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04764 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. On the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliott wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.02537 mark, and also completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 that I have shown you on the 4-hour chart. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, which I still believe is what we are seeing at the moment in this sideways movement that we are seeing at the moment. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.02238 mark and the $0.02168 mark. And it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see we have managed to get into the blue target area, suggesting that there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and very soon we are going to see a reversal to the upper side, continue gearing up, manage to break above this key area of resistance, see a successful retest, and continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, and assuming that Vechain is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03112 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do. But in case the breakdown continues, we get back into this blue target area, and maybe at some point we lose the lower side of this blue target area, which is the fib level 0.618. Then I'll be watching the next key areas here on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.78, which is still a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2. And because of that, I want to extend my target area down here back to the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.02071 mark, to accommodate any further breakdown to the lower side in case the breakdown continues within this blue target area down here. And in case we get one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2, then soon I'll be expecting the formation of that wave 3, and I'll be able to sketch out new target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So soon I'm expecting to see a breakout out of this sideways consolidation that we are seeing right here, and possibly to the upper side in the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and continue watching this blue target area, because we need to continue holding within it for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 2. And in case we lose the fib level 0.78, then that will be putting a major challenge on this 1-2 setup that I have right here. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 48 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support higher prices in case the reversal happens in the formation of this wave 3. But in case the breakdown continues, that will still be supported. Also taking a look at the market, you have been able to print a bullish cross, and we're also seeing a bit of an increase in the buying momentum, suggesting that the reversal in the formation of this wave 3 is just about to happen. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.